Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on now? I got a 2015 Ford, I guess this thing, a Focus. It's just a basic 2-liter. It's not the turbo or anything like that, but it's a manual shift. It's a, what, a 5 or 6 speed? 1, 2, 3, 4, it's a 5 speed. Okay. I didn't pay attention. But the customer was saying that he thought he burned up the clutch because he couldn't get the car to move. Okay. So it got towed in, and the tow driver said the brakes are locked. Okay. Interesting. So we get it in the shop. I was able to drive it in. You could feel the brakes dragging, but I was able to drive it in. The clutch felt okay. I mean, it didn't feel like there was actually a problem with it. So I'm glad the customer didn't try driving it because he could have smoked the clutch. So let me just show you something real quick. So as you see, the parking brake is down. It's in neutral, and there's nothing on the brake, okay? However, if you come to the left rear here, it doesn't want to move. It does not want to move. It's in there. Like, I'm really trying to move that, and it is not moving. Okay? However, come to this side. This one turns fine. This one doesn't move either. Now, the left front, I still have the wheel on it. But I think it's touching the ground. Yeah, it's touching the ground because I got the struts disconnected. I'll explain that in a second. That wheel turns no problem. Okay. So what's the first thing you think of in a situation like that? Okay, the caliper's locking up. Okay. Go back there, crack the bleeder, and all of a sudden the wheel starts to spin. I did that already. The wheel started to spin. But what about the right front? Same thing, crack the bleeder, wheel starts to spin. Interesting. Okay. So what do those components share in common? Master cylinder, ABS hydraulic unit. So I go up underneath the hood, and you got to take the cowl out and everything else, and that's why the front struts are hanging, because the cowl is out, and the cowl bolts down through the upper strut mounts. So anyway, what I want to show you is this. So we come underneath the hood here, and you can see I got everything disconnected. Had to unbolt everything up there. Took the battery out, the air box, everything else. So over to the master cylinder here, I take a 15, crack it free. If I can get on it, crack it free. I got no fluid dripping out. Notice that? Come here. I still can't turn that. It's locked pretty good. Okay. So at this point, I'm pretty confident it's not the master. So now, I come over here, and obviously I've done this already, to the ABS unit. Let me turn the light on. And you see the fluid started to come out? See that it's pushing? So the fluid's pushing there. The outlet from the master is just 2 steel lines, and they run directly over here to the ABS unit. There's no chances of this steel line being clogged, so I really doubt that's a possibility. I mean, like 999.99999% sure that it couldn't be that line. It's got to be the ABS unit. So let's come back here. Oops, I got it jammed up in the fender well, but now I can actually turn it by hand. See that? So that tells me the ABS unit, something internal, is basically acting like a one-way valve, and it's holding the brakes on. So what we got to do now is we got to get an ABS hydraulic unit for it. There's actually 2 pieces here. There's the electronic portion and there's the hydraulic portion. So I might be able to get it as a 1 unit. Brand new from Ford. Those things are like over $1,000. So let me see if I can find a used one first. All right. Hold on one second. Sorry, I had to burp. Anyway, so hopefully we can find a used unit, which I've done that before and I've had good luck with that. So I don't have any problems doing that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. All right, quick video, but I thought it was an important one because a lot of people would just put a caliper and a hose on it and it wouldn't fix the problem. So, all right, well, hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.